Hi guys, my name is Kevin, and today we talk about the world's smartest face mask. Gaming company Razer has made what they claim is world's smartest face mask, complete with a built-in microphone. The prototype, revealed at the tech convention CES, claims to amplify the user's voice to prevent muffled speech. The design includes active ventilation, exhaling warmer exhaled air, whilst pulling in cooler air. The company says the mask is classified as an N95 surgical mask, however the BBC has not reviewed the product. The mask itself is made of transparent plastic, making it easier for people to lip read and pick up on facial cues. A transparent mask is hardly an innovation itself, there are plenty on the market. However, the company says the mask also has a low light mode, that means the mask's interior lights up automatically when dark, illuminating your mouth. Razer claims this allows you to express yourself clearly, regardless of the lighting conditions. Is it comfortable to wear with all that tech inside? Well, the BBC's tech team hasn't tried it out, but Razer says a silicone fitting around the face keeps it comfortable and stops the mask itself from touching or resting on your mouth. It also says thicker ear loops apply less pressure on your ears. The mask's patented voice amp feature is arguably the most technologically advanced aspect of the mask. The company says the built-in mic and amplifier will make your voice clearer. Muffled speech can be a particular problem with traditional nose and mouth coverings. This is a concept product, it's not currently for sale. The BBC has reached out to Razer and has yet to receive a response. So yeah guys, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below, and yes, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos, and always I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.